Here we have the EMOM tool. EMOM stands for every minute on the minute. So at default, you could have this repeat every minute. However, we have the option of changing that. So let's just say we wanted to repeat the time every 8 seconds. We can use our scroll wheels. And say we want to just do 2 repetitions. From there, we have the option of actually adding sets. So you could do your 2 repetitions of 8 seconds, add a set with a designated rest time in between the sets. All right? And then we can hit start. So the total time for this whole routine will be 47 seconds. We'll hit start, and you can see us go through this full cycle. Again, we have an indication of number of repetitions, number of sets, and the work time being completed. Three-second countdown to resume the next round. All right, we're recovering in between those 2 repetitions that were done. Now we're going to start set number 2.
Well done.
There you have it, the EMOM tool.